Unpacking Kip Down, a British Slang Explored. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of British slang to uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase, kip down. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about quirky phrases, you're in the right place. So, let's get straight to it. The phrase, kip down, is a bit of British slang, and it essentially means to sleep or to take a nap. You might use it when you're talking about taking a quick rest, especially in a situation that's not your usual sleeping arrangement. It's not the kind of phrase you'd use for a long, full night's sleep in your own bed. The word kip, by itself in British slang also refers to sleep or a short nap. Adding down to it doesn't change the meaning drastically, but it does give it a more casual and informal feel. It's as if you're saying, I'm just going to lay down for a bit, nothing too serious. Let's go through a few examples to see how this phrase works in real conversations. 1. I had a long journey, so I'm just going to kip down on the sofa for an hour. 2. We have a spare room if you need to kip down for the night. 3. After the concert, we all kipped down at Mark's place. In all these examples, kip down is used to describe a temporary and informal sleeping arrangement. It's important to note that kip down is quite informal and is more commonly used in British English. It might not be understood by English speakers from other parts of the world. So, it's perfect for informal chats with friends, especially in the UK, but maybe not for a job interview or a formal setting. And that wraps up our exploration of kip down. We hope this has been an informative journey for you and that you now feel more comfortable using this quirky piece of British slang in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so don't be shy to try it out when the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.